hammers there?
Recording.
I'm gonna lay down first. I'm gonna lay down first.
Tagadiso!
That even hurt. I don't.
They are playing this game named Spoons.
I can't.
Oh, look at that.
She says spoon. Then
Yeah.
She bent down.
Yes. Oh.
Ow! Like scratch my head. Sorry.
Oh. Oh.
Did that really hurt?
Ouch.
How bad?
What I did to with my mouth?
You saw see that?
Because I went up. I know.
Good thing nobody's behind you.
Put your arms down. Put your arms down. You're the cheater. Put your arms down. Okay, I won't do it.
Ow.
I can't even.
It's gonna be a long day. Ah.
That hurt? No. Oh, it's a.
Hello.
You touched my head. Oh.
Oh.
What? What was it? I don't really get the game. It's retarded.
No, the game was, you know, the thing that made it fun
Movie?
is because the guy,
There's someone behind them.
yeah, with the bigger spoon.
No, that's not cool. That's not cool.
I bet you heard it on camera.
I know, that was loud.
We should do it with our hands then.
Oh,
We just go soft and then hard. It's gonna hurt. Ow. It's funny hearing the thud. I'm still going. Okay.
Did that hurt?
Did that hurt? No. Oh. Did that hurt? Oh, yes.
Man, you guys got a hard head.
Oh.
Whoa.
That was weird. It itches.
That was hard.
Why did it go? Oh, okay. Oh, it hurts. Oh. Does it hurt? No, it just itches when it's done. Oh.
Oh,
I'm scared now. I think you should try this.
no, I don't want my head. I'm already got a headache.
Oh gosh, okay. Oh,
What?
scared me. Oh. Okay, this one's gonna be really hard. Are you serious? Yeah. That's it. Oh.
That,
Okay, go. You're still going?
Yeah.
Oh. Scared.
Tuas tupas.
That was
that hurt.
Oh, itches. It's here she goes. She goes.
Hey, tell Dennis, tell Uncle RJ to, you know,
I'm still going.
You see your face?
I'm like, Tell RJ.
That hurt.
Just go like this, it feels good. If you just do it really fast, it feels good. You still going? You're pretty.
5 minutes.
Oh, oh! I'm scared. I have a big bruise on my head now.
Are you sure you still want to continue?
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
What about you?
You're gonna cry. You.
Yeah.
Oh man, that hurt.
Oh, that hurt. This. I'm scared. I'm gonna cry. It's itching. Ow.
You see Adler here?
Would you mind if I did it harder?
I gave a lot of my weight over.
I win.
I'm scared.
I win.